Assalamu alaikum and a lovely morning grade 2 students. How are y'all? I hope you are fine. I'm back with the math class. And which lesson are we studying? Yes, we are studying numbers. So up till now, can you all tell me what all have we studied? Okay, very good. We have studied the place value. Yes. Then what else did we do after the place value? Loudly? Yes. We did number names. Then after number names, what did we do? Yes. We learned how to get the number. Yes, from the given number name, we learned how to get the number. So, what will we be learning now? After these three, what's next? You all want to know? Okay, so get ready. I have something interesting for y'all. So, what do we have on the board? Yes, they are numbers. These are numbers. Okay? Now what are we going to do? We are going to form 3-digit numbers. Okay? We will select any 3 numbers and form a 3-digit number. So which number should I take first? I wish you all would have been in my class and you all would have told me the answer. But it's okay. I will pick up a number for you all. I'll take the number 4. Okay? This is the first number that I took. Which other number can I take now? Let's take number 5. No. Let's go for 7. So the second number I have taken as 7. Now to make this a 3-digit number, I need one more number, isn't it? So which number should I take now? Let's take 0. So I take 0 and I write here. Which number is it, grade 2? 470. Which 3-digit number is it? Loudly. Yes, you are right. It is 470. 470. So we got one 3-digit number. Okay, we've got this correct. Let's pick up one more number. Now let me take number 9. So the second number now I can take is, should I take 2? Okay, I'll take 2. And to make it a 3-digit number, I need one more number, students. Which one should I take? Let's take number 5. Okay, so now I have 2 3-digit numbers. Now there's something interesting coming up. Be ready. We'll see what's coming. What is it? Yes, it's a crocodile. And this crocodile is very hungry. Oh, the crocodile can see numbers. And this crocodile wants to eat the greatest number. So can we help this crocodile to find the greatest number? Let's quickly read the numbers for this little crocodile. 470. And the other number is 925. So which is the greatest number? Where should this crocodile go? Oh, should it eat this number? Or the crocodile should eat this number? Which number the crocodile should eat grape to? You're not telling this? No. This number? Yes, you're right. The crocodile will eat this number. Okay, the crocodile has eaten this number. Why? Because 925 is greater than 470. Okay? 470 and 925. These are the two numbers. The crocodile ate 925. Why? Because this number is greater. It is bigger than 470. Okay? So now, can I keep this crocodile here for a long time? No. So to keep it in mind, I have to do something. Which number the crocodile has eaten? So what should I do? Should I paste my hand like this? No. What will we do now? We are going to make a sign so that we remember. So I am going to make a sign now. Okay. This is the sign. The mouth of the crocodile had opened like this, isn't it? So the crocodile had eaten this number. So I make a sign like this. Okay, let's form another 3-digit number. Let's see a few more examples. Which number should I take now? You want to take 7? Number in 700s now? Okay, we'll go for 7. 7. Then I would take 3. And then let's take 6. Now I need to form one more. Okay, we are going to compare again. Maybe my hungry crocodile comes back. So let's form another 3-digit number. Let's take 1. Then let's take 8. And to make it a 3-digit number, let's take maybe again a 1, or let's take 4 now. Okay, so again I have 2 3-digit numbers, 736 and 184. Isn't it? We have 2 3-digit numbers. So now what to do? I can hear the little crocodile coming back. Can you hear? Oh yes, your little crocodile has come back. Oh, and it's seeing the numbers. And now we are going to read the number for this little crocodile. It is 736 and then we have 184. The crocodile is very hungry. So this crocodile goes here and here and here and eats this number. The crocodile has eaten 736. Why? Because it is bigger than 184. The number 736 is bigger than 184. So I will again put a sign. Now how do I put the sign, students? You all have to tell me. In the first one, the number 925 is bigger. So I made a sign like this. Now, in my second number, this number is bigger than this one. 736 is bigger than 184. So where will the sign go? Think, think. So I need to put the sign. Did you all think? Where will the sign go? Absolutely right. Well done, students. Clap for yourself. The sign will be like this. The mouth of the crocodile is open towards the side. And when the number towards my right hand side is big, the mouth opens like this. Okay? Now, we have seen two examples. But what have we done? What did we do to these numbers? You all have put the signs correctly. You all even gave good number of food to my little crocodile. But what did we do to help the crocodile eat the biggest number? Can you all think of that particular word? Okay, few of you all are whispering something. Very good. We have compared the number. What have we done? We compared the two numbers. In the first one, this was our first example. 470 and 925. These were the two numbers. We compared them. We saw both the numbers and then we started comparing. But how did you all compare, students? How did you compare the two numbers? Just by looking at it? No. With the help of the place value. Yes. Which number did you all see? We saw. From which side did we start? Do you all remember? Yes, from our right hand side. Okay? It is the units place. Yes. Then we have tens. And then we have hundreds. Yes. Similarly for this number. To my right, we have units. Then tens. And then hundreds. Now, when you are comparing, always keep in mind how will you compare. Start with the units place. You have number 5 here and you have number 0. So which number is bigger? Number 5. But can you decide, because number 5 in the units place is bigger than the number 0 in the units place? No. You need to see all the numbers, okay? Now we move to our second place. That is the tens place. Here we have 2 tens, okay? And here in this number we have 7 tens. So, does this number become big? No. We need to wait for the, yes, good job, hundreds place. Look over here. We have 9 hundreds and 4 hundreds here. So which place value is big? It's number 9 in this number. So that is the reason my crocodile ate the number 925. Okay, students? We first compare, okay? We compare and we look at the numbers as per their place value. Starting from the units place, then coming to tens and then hundreds. Okay? So, good job. We are done with the first example. Now what about the second one? The answer is absolutely right. But again, we have to compare and see. So let's give the place value to our numbers. Okay, this is in the units place. 4 is in the units place. 8 is in the tens place. And 1 is in the hundreds place. Coming here. 6 is in the units place. 3 is in the tens place. And 7 is in the hundreds place. How will we compare? The first one we discussed. So the second one, you all have to tell me. Which side do I start from? Which place? Yes, my right hand side. So I start with 4 units. In number 184, I have 4 units. And in number 736, I have 6 units. Okay, then the tens. 8 tens, 3 tens. Then here I have 100. And in this number, I have 700. So that is the reason 736 is greater than 184. 736 is greater than 184. Okay, students? Now let's see a few more examples. Quickly, we'll go to our third example. What is the number? 269. And the second number is 729. How will we compare this grade to? Yes, we start from the units place. 9 and 9 are the same. The units place is the same. Let's come to our tens place. Number 2 and number 6. Which number is big? Yes, this number is bigger than number 2. Okay, let's come to our hundreds place now. Which number is big? Yes, it is number 7. So, the mouth opens here. 729. Okay, students? Now, let's see the fourth example. Which number should we take? Which number? Okay, now let me see. Can you all compare the number and tell me the answer? I have written the number 823. And what will be my second number? My second number is going to be grade 2. 813. Both the numbers are in the 800s. This is 823 and this is 813. Which number is big? This? No. This? Yes. Very good. 823 is greater than 813. How will we read it, students? 823 is greater than 813. Good job, students. You all have now understood that maybe the number in one of the place values is the same. So that might create a confusion. That is why I told you, you will start comparing each place value, okay? We start from units, tens and then hundreds. So up till now, we've seen 4 examples. Let's see what our 5th example shows us. So, I'm back with the 5th example now. What are the numbers? Can you all read it for me? Yes, 200 and the other number is also 200. So which number is big and small now? Which number? Both are the same. So I will make an equal to sign. 200 and this 200, they are equal, isn't it? Okay, let's see the 6th example. Let's take the number 342. 342. And let's take the other number as 346. 346. So which number is greater? Which number? 342 or 346? Yes, you're right. Good job. It is 346. Very good, students. Keep it up. Now what? We saw 6 examples. Now, you all saw signs of equal to and sign of greater than. Yes? Let's see what I have next. Okay, this is our last example. Which are the two numbers? It's number 100 and it is number 999. So when you look at this number, do you recall something what I had told you? 100 is the smallest 3-digit number and 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. So where will my mouth go? It's going to go here. Okay? 100 is the smallest number and 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. So, now I have a question for you all. What is written on the board? The question asks about fill in the blanks using these signs. Equal to, greater than or lesser than. Okay, these are the signs. You'll have learned it in grade 1 as well. Okay, so quickly compare the numbers and put the signs. The first one, the number is 698. Yes, and the second number is 968. We have to compare these two numbers. How will we compare grade 2? Yes, you're right. We start from the units place. That's our right hand side. So, number 8 is in the units place. And here, number 8 is again in the units place. So, I move to the tens place. I have number 6 here. And here, I have number 9. Yes. So, maybe this might be my greater number. But to assure ourselves, I need to look at the hundreds place. So here I have 9 in the hundreds place. And here I have 6 in the hundreds place. So which number is greater, grade 2? 698 or 968? Think. Yes, you are right. It is 968. 968. Now our second example. It is 504. And the next number here that we have to compare it with is 540. So which number is greater? Which number? Yes, you all will again compare. Units, units. So you have 4. Then tens and tens. So we have this. And then 5 and 5. The hundreds place. Both the numbers are the same. So with the help of the number 4 that is in the tens place, I come to know that 540 is greater than 504. Okay? Now our last example for the day. It's 450. And this number is also 450. So when I compare these two numbers, they are, yes, very good. They are equal. So my sign will be of equals. So, grade 2. What have we done today? Today, we learned how to compare the numbers. Compare our 3-digit numbers. Okay, we've learned the sign equal to, greater than and less than. We learned how to compare the numbers. Hope you all enjoyed the class, students. Take care. Allah Hafiz. See you soon.